Do you ever feel like you're tired, even though you haven't done anything all day? You want to work or study, but your brain feels like it's stuck in thick, heavy mud. To understand why, we need to talk about your dopamine baseline, the normal level of your brain's feel-good chemical. When something great happens, your dopamine spikes, and you feel absolutely amazing. But what goes up must come down. After a spike, your levels drop below your normal baseline. The problem is your phone is a non-stop 24/7 dopamine machine. Every like, every scroll, and every notification gives you a tiny addictive hit of pleasure. Your brain is being flooded with more dopamine than it was ever evolved to handle. To protect itself, your brain lowers your baseline. Now, your normal feels like a low. This is why real life starts to feel incredibly boring compared to your screen. Tasks that require effort, like reading or working, now feel, well, impossible to start. You aren't lazy. Your brain is just chemically desensitized. Think of it like a seesaw. Our brains are constantly trying to keep pleasure and pain in balance. If you press too hard on the pleasure side with your phone, the brain tips the scale toward pain to compensate. So, how do we fix it? We have to reset the system. First, we need to embrace boredom. Put the phone away and just sit. Let it be quiet. Second, shift your focus to effort-based dopamine, like exercise or learning a new skill. Create friction. Put your phone in another room when you need to focus. Out of sight, out of mind. Stop stacking dopamine. Don't listen to a podcast while eating, while scrolling. Just do one thing. Give your brain 24 hours of low stimulation. Let that baseline crawl back up to where it belongs. Slowly, the fog will lift. Your baseline will return to a healthy, stable level. Suddenly, that book doesn't seem so boring anymore. You can actually focus. You'll find that you have real energy for the things that actually move your life forward. You'll feel more present in the real world rather than trapped in a digital one. Remember, your phone is a tool, not a master. You decide when to use it. Real connection and real hobbies provide a slower, more sustainable kind of joy. Understand the biology, and you can take back control of your motivation. Your brain is a powerful engine. It just needs the right fuel and a little bit of rest. Put down the phone after this video and go do something hard. You'll thank yourself later.